For years, the Great Pyramid of Giza was thought to have surrendered all its secrets, its labyrinthine corridors and grand chambers mapped to the millimeter. But recent cosmic ray scans have just confirmed the existence of a massive hidden void, a 30-foot-long corridor concealed behind the main entrance that has remained untouched for over 4,500 years. This isn't a mere structural gap. It is a precisely engineered chamber that experts believe could finally lead us to the ultimate prize, the long-lost burial chamber of Khufu himself. What lies beyond this limestone barrier is no longer a matter of myth, but a question of when we will finally look inside. The discovery was made not with shovels or dynamite, but through the power of subatomic particles called muons. These particles, which are the results of cosmic rays hitting Earth's atmosphere, rain down constantly and can penetrate solid rock. However, they lose energy or get absorbed depending on the density of the material they pass through. By placing highly sensitive muon detectors throughout the pyramid, the Scan Pyramids project created a thermal map of the structure's interior. When the data came back, it revealed a startling anomaly. Above the original entrance to the pyramid, where researchers expected solid masonry, there was a significant drop in density. A massive, hollow space was hiding in plain sight, invisible to the naked eye for millennia. According to researchers, this newly confirmed corridor is roughly 9 meters long and 2 meters wide. Its location is strategically vital. It sits directly behind the chevron structures visible on the outside of the pyramid, massive V-shaped limestone blocks that were clearly designed to protect something beneath them. Initially, archaeologists hypothesized these chevrons were simply used to distribute the immense weight of the pyramid's casing. However, the precise alignment of the hidden chamber suggests a far more intentional purpose. Is this a service tunnel, an unfinished architectural experiment, or, as some leading Egyptologists allegedly suggest, a deliberate buffer zone protecting a much deeper, more significant haul? The tension surrounding the find reached a fever pitch when a tiny endoscopic camera was carefully threaded through a natural crack between the stones. For the first time in nearly 5,000 years, light entered the void. The images revealed a corridor with a vaulted ceiling, known as a gable, which is an advanced architectural feature used only in the most important sections of the pyramid. The walls are clean, the stone is masterfully cut, and most importantly, the chamber appears to be empty of debris. This cleanliness is a major clue. In many ancient structures, empty corridors are not accidents of construction. They are intentional pathways designed to lead to something else. If this corridor is indeed a precursor to another chamber, the implications for our understanding of the Old Kingdom are staggering. We have long wondered why the Great Pyramid, the largest stone structure on Earth, has so few internal rooms compared to its sheer volume. Every year, millions of visitors walk through the Grand Gallery, yet this discovery suggests that we have only been seeing the public areas of the pyramid. The Big Void, as it is often called in scientific circles, might be the gateway to a series of rooms that were sealed off before the pyramid was even completed, intended to remain hidden for eternity. The mystery deepens when you consider the sheer precision of the Great Pyramid's layout. Every shaft and gallery has been found to align with specific celestial bodies or internal structural requirements. A 30-foot-long corridor sitting right above the entrance serves no obvious structural purpose for the pyramid's stability. This has led to the theory that we are looking at a decoy system or a complex architectural puzzle meant to deter or mislead. According to publicly available data from the scan teams, the void does not appear to connect to any of the known passages, which means it was intentionally isolated. As technology advances, the next phase of the mission involves even more sophisticated imaging. Scientists are reportedly developing ultra-sensitive robotic drones and more advanced muon telescopes to peer through the remaining layers of limestone without moving a single grain of sand. The goal is to determine if the end of this 30-foot corridor contains a door or a vertical shaft. In the world of archaeology, a sealed door is the ultimate promise of a discovery that could redefine a civilization. We are currently standing on the threshold of a new era of Egyptian history, where the ghosts of the past are being brought into focus by the technology of the future.
The significance of this vaulted corridor extends beyond its physical dimensions. It represents a fundamental shift in how we perceive the internal logic of Fourth Dynasty engineering. For decades, the standard model of the Great Pyramid's interior was seen as a completed map, with the King's Chamber, the Queen's Chamber, and the Grand Gallery forming the entirety of the intended design. However, the presence of this 30-foot-long void suggests that the blueprint of the pyramid is far more modular and layered than previously assumed. If the builders went to such extraordinary lengths to conceal a hallway of this size, it implies that the pyramid's internal geometry was designed to be a series of nested secrets where one discovery only serves as a barrier to the next.
Researchers are particularly intrigued by the state of the limestone within the chamber. Preliminary imaging shows that the stones are not rough-hewn, as one might expect from a purely functional, weight-relieving space. Instead, they exhibit a level of finish that is typically reserved for ceremonial areas. This has sparked a debate among historians. Was this chamber intended to be visited by the living, perhaps as part of a ritual performed before the final sealing of the tomb? Or was it a symbolic passage for the soul of the pharaoh? In ancient Egyptian theology, the journey to the afterlife was fraught with obstacles and hidden gates. The physical architecture of the tomb often mirrored this spiritual journey. This corridor could be the physical manifestation of a gate described in the pyramid texts, designed to remain invisible to anyone who did not possess the secret knowledge of the structure. Furthermore, the environmental conditions within the void remain a subject of intense scientific curiosity. Because the chamber has been sealed for over 4 millennia, it potentially contains an atmospheric sample from the era of the Old Kingdom. The air inside, trapped when the final limestone blocks were slid into place, could provide data on the climate and environment of the Nile Valley during the construction period. There is also the possibility of finding organic microparticles, remnants of the wooden rollers, hemp ropes, or even the rush torches used by the workers who stood in that space 45 centuries ago. Every square inch of that dust-free floor is a time capsule, offering a level of preservation that is virtually impossible to find in the exposed areas of the Giza Plateau. As the international community watches closely, the ethical and technical challenges of moving forward are immense. The Egyptian Ministry of Antiquities has maintained a policy of non-invasive research, ensuring that the structural integrity of the UNESCO World Heritage Site is never compromised. This means that we are now entering a wait-and-see period, where the pace of discovery is dictated by the speed of technological innovation. Engineers are reportedly conceptualizing insect-inspired micro-robots capable of navigating through the smallest fissures to provide a 360-degree high-definition view of the void's terminus. Until that happens, the mystery of what sits at the end of those 30 feet remains the most tantalizing question in modern archaeology. We are looking at a puzzle that was set in stone by the brightest minds of the ancient world, and only now, with the help of particle physics and robotics, are we beginning to find the first pieces. The Great Pyramid has successfully guarded its inner sanctum for 5,000 years, but the silence of the Big Void is finally starting to speak. This discovery serves as a powerful reminder that history is not a static book already written, but a mystery that continues to evolve. The Great Pyramid was built as a monument to immortality, and in a way, it has achieved its goal by remaining the world's greatest enigma. The confirmation of this hidden chamber proves that even the most famous landmarks on our planet still have the capacity to shock us, to challenge our assumptions, and to ignite our curiosity about what the ancient world was truly capable of achieving. As we wait for the final reports from the Scan Pyramids team, one question remains. If this 30-foot chamber was just the hallway, what exactly is it leading to? The answer may be hidden just a few feet deeper in the stone, waiting for the moment we are finally ready to see it.